Hi everyone, Mats Renström here, once again answering a question related to business excellence. In this video I'm going to answer the question, how many levels are there in a process structure? So first of all then, what is a process structure? Briefly, as I have another video explaining that, a process structure shows the processes in relation to each other. So if we take our whiteboard here and I draw a process here, they're ugly, but sufficient. A, B, and C. We see that A is interacting with B and with C, but B and C is not interacting with each other as we actually haven't drawn them in connection. But this is basic structure of our processes. If I then take these away, I could actually left the A1 because I'm going to draw it again, but it's so fun drawing these things, so I'm drawing it all over. Now the question comes then to how many levels do we have, and what is a level? A level in process design and process structure is when we have here process number A, and if we zoom into A, we will see that A contains a number of sub-processes. In this case, I make it A1, A2, A3. So you see there's 3 sub-processes. And if we double click on A2, we will then see that A2 contains of also 3 sub-processes. A2, 1, A2, 2, A2, 3. And if we zoom into A22, we will then find out that here we're in the bottom. Here we have activities showing us the flow of activities that creates value to our customers. And that's the whole purpose of all this. So now you see, this is levels. In this sketch, it's 4 levels I have here on the whiteboard. So how many levels should it be then? I know people that talk about having a fixed number. Even large organizations, they set up that they need 6 levels. So this is the first level, and this is then number 6. In my experience, that is the wrong way to do it. Because if you do it like that, you actually set the team into focusing on the wrong issue. Because as I just draw here in this sketch here on the whiteboard, you see that we have to invent 2 more levels. I mean, it could be number 2 or it could be number 3 or something. Because we have the bottom layer and we have the top layer, but we don't have as many as stipulated according to the model. So, according to my experience, you should have as many layers as needed to design, to display the design processes in a good way. How many usually? It's between 3 and 5 levels. Because if you stay between 3 and 5, you have actually designed your process in a good way, and it is viewable by those who actually want to see what you've drawn. So 3 to 5, that's the number that I usually go, because we shouldn't have a fixed number again, because processes is not fixed. It's about flexibility. And if we force us into a model with 6 or 5 or whatever we decide, I know 7, but if we're forcing ourselves into a fixed number, we're leaving the flexibility of ending up with as many as it should be, or as needed, to be able to show the workforce and all the stakeholders what this flow is about. I hope this video helped you designing your process in a better way. If you like to have more free material like this one, please visit matsrenström.com. And remember, always, it's your skill and your commitment that will help you and your organization reach business excellence.